So these gonna be twist, not braids.
Mm-hmm. What the picture was.
Mm-hmm. How long that last?
Sure, you can get about a good month or two.
Mm-hmm. Next time I come with that bread. Man, why is there so many police cars out there? Like 6 police cars out there. Everywhere. One guy. A D-Tech? That's an undercover. Why is the undercover out there? What he do? Yeah, this is November 21st of '03.
Mm,
I mean 23.
mm.
I wonder why is he getting like that?
Maybe it's a lawsuit. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Cause their courts got sued about something.
He should have
It was
sued.
a class action lawsuit against them.
Mmm.
I had that like $300 back.
Come on, Florissant.
Yeah.
You stay in Florissant?
Spanish Lake. The Florissant Police Department be over there. I got tickets for Florissant one
I
time.
want
They
to
wrote
move
me.
over there in the townhouse and Sierra Vista. Or
Shit,
the old Sierra Vista.
shit, you want to move over there?
Yeah, you think it's bad?
You might like it a little better where you at.
For real?
Yeah. I mean, but you know, when you from somewhere, you know how to handle
Yeah, I
everything.
know
So
how to move, but the last time I was over there, I had a Camaro on 22s. I woke up getting ready to go to work and my car was sitting on bricks.
there's still niggas out there like that.
Where I live, I can leave my door open for 2 days and ain't nobody coming in there.
Mm-hmm.